After the success of our first documentary interview and the ensuing art talks, we now want to explore new perspectives with Arjava's story and experiences, so that the reconciliation process in our community may further unfold and serve as an inspiration. Arjava?
Dear friends, thank you for supporting the birth of this new baby. I'm looking forward to sharing my experience and hope that this will help the international Reiki community to come together, no matter what lineage anyone comes from, to realize that we're all sitting in the same boat, rowing together towards self-realization. Thank you.